Rahul, a young man from a small town, had always feared failure. He avoided challenges, thinking success was only for the lucky. One day, he met an old man selling books. Curious, Rahul asked, "Have you ever wanted to do something big?" The old man smiled, "I once dreamed of owning a bookstore, but I never took the first step. Dreams need action." Rahul pondered over those words. He realized he had wasted years waiting for the perfect moment that never came. Determined to change, he started small, applying for jobs, learning new skills, and stepping out of his comfort zone daily. Slowly, his confidence grew. He faced rejections, but instead of quitting, he kept moving forward, believing each step mattered. After years of effort, Rahul became a successful entrepreneur. He opened a bookstore and hired the same old man. At the opening, he said, "Success isn't about luck. It's about taking that first step, then another, and never stopping." People were inspired. Many started following the dreams, realizing that waiting never leads to success, action does. Rahul's story proved that real change begins when we stop fearing failure and start taking the first step forward.